Ebushafo na ye cheche wo bia sanso e mahwefo etifo adofo ganafo nyina abrochefo nyina ye momu nyina na kwaba e de eba Attention TV so your most inspirational YouTube channel. Ebushafo se wonse mabetena hot seat yeso a na ye Abraham me representing me ankasa me mami etwia enchua the original host of this program and wentimi ambeka yensa okodijuma so bi owo bentimi na metena emfamamu e de eman ebra me de ensema ekoso eba besom mesrew say if you are new to the channel na so nya subscribe ya mesrew bon homodene ambrase kwanso na subscribe ne kama emfa emai ebusiafo yen nsem na se na yemfa emam ebusiafo na yesi fam na ya share ensem na se na ye de amamode na tense enra ana ye de betu dwa emam hu no se abrante bi a wagidin eyepa ewose twa edwuma no mu a ofita krade ene ne potemu western region ani din edi yogot otona nanam ya wonse do a enye asem ketwa na ebinum susu se eduabo ebinum susu se nipa bonifo bi ana ye ni ebinum susu se ono ana yare ana ekunu ehun se o ye video bi o kire se ne minimu eye ne ya ontimi no musu ensem de bebre na ebra yogot etwara na mo wansedo ni bra penye a eye too much so ababe kasa e de afasa ase mo enya asem totana nei ende da yekoda esori enda asema esi ene se abrante bia na so owure bi de merika ne nemu merika kokopie mu awo Takrade police station na asem nyina ene se me ana mekun yogot asem mensu nie ose wono na okun yogot na okun yogot hunhum fem na kamia say yogot na hunhum hantana na se ne hunhum tata no de sama tata intino onya asumdwe intino ode no ba ma positive se na be ya no ho ebeton na ensem sei ana mo ditu dwa
adofo enfa omude baba no face wewu oye yogot mmom no eni je sama wa ba ne de boy na okwa no anda nimpa okunu no wa ma nimpa ko na aka no ko ndedue yara owu ndi do wa man popra akale ko inde due yara ye ni pakuri ye na adwundo olukwan oye na adwundo olukwan no na baba no face wanchi wa kira ni pakuno okunu ni de anu so boma na ni megu ase nti boy na nse kolpot no wo Libo police station na Libo police station for na central to demo central baba no boy no oku ye go to fon baba dog through sabaden anu no oku ye go sisero demo police station are they a central police station? Are they a central police station? Would you answer that name? Baba, I need Arabia. I some. Yeah, Charlie, I some. You go to. Oh. What did you feel Libo? But I don't know the career when you take one. Why you feel Libo?
I think another twist to whatever has happened in connection with Yogot. Personally, from the inception, no more around whatever happened. The friend and issues on you being and the cases that the guy invoked, and you know, and what he said about Yogot there, this is what's going to happen, and you will die, you know, the same way now or happening. But of course, we know that we don't admit spiritual matters into a court of law now. You know, we wanted to shield that one for the meantime, but just a while ago, now police football too much in if you know so. When such a guy, and also of course me, not here. There, he was trying to escape into Ivory Coast, but I don't know what happened. For some reason, we went to the local police station, go report to anybody there. This is what he has done. And one friend brand, Takrade, and to any bar, it's a Kwesimin police station. And if Kwesimin is bueno, or you fake my boy and see, by them jurisdiction, you know what you're pay. And to over too much for police station, which was statement. Not too much, but from that, this is what has happened. Now, just to be sure and say, I use some Slicky, Stargirl Niger, who was tied to Benjilo. I'm a squad. Aziz, in your fab like 3 cars, near call. Your question, so I'm going to win on the cells. Honestly, Mary Quadenka crack. Simply. My first question is, why did you do that? No, she mean, no, see, Ankazabu. Messi Makasa, but 1 or 2 days. Let me see. we are supposed to be friends and our family. My last video I made here for this, okay, oh yeah, young boy. And I'm saying, why did you do that? In fact, Okasaka crowd, but I think it's not appropriate to share for now. But I think any other information be or be appropriate today, given the opportunity. Let's say police were because the police were like, for him or for them, no, is it like he's there for security reasons? Now, one policeman, the number of friend Clement, is in charge of this means was a baby unknown friend. But that's the information we had there. They told him to my day or reporting with Lubo police station. And I asked him there, okay, send your shria. Why were you trying to run away? It's a fake kumaha. And then the Yogot to win in the morning. He was hovering around, you know now. How come they could in the them say one pobia anymore? It's a supreme Yogot to shria. Why are you trying to escape? Nobody knows you, Papa does I don't want to mention his name. Nobody knows you. And why are you trying to escape? And I could see that those themselves too, like they got like you know they are. Let me so for now no, it's only a suspect. And nobody has accused him though. But now about reports no, and nobody should touch him. That's someone. So that's the latest twist in connection with Yogot issue. That is it.
Sabe pepe anete ha na mede enseminya besi e de mom ya mede se me prometin ara energy committee makram